I still blink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed?
What's up guys? Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I will be sharing my dad's braised beef stew recipe, also known as ngao lam. The recipe can be found in the description below. You can eat this with rice or with noodles, or you can just eat it as is. It's tasty either way. Before we start, there are a few tips I'd like to share with you. First, let's talk about the bean sauce. It can be grounded or whole. My dad likes to use the whole ones. It's more flavorful and it doesn't burn as quick. For the star anise and the dried orange peel, you're going to want to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding. This develops better flavor. With that said, let's get started. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, or you can share it with your friends. Feel free to comment or subscribe if you haven't already. I am Bon Appetit, and I'll see you in the next one.